for today. So yesterday we ended up with a bit of a piercing pattern here. Now if we just zoom in here, you'll see what I mean. So you can see Wednesday's pattern was a bar that closed on its high, and Thursday we gapped up and then closed in the middle of the previous bar. That is a piercing pattern. And that going together with these other bearish patterns here does pretty much give me a little bit of concern that we may be nearing a top. Okay, but trend is up, and then as you can see, I've got this trend line drawn in here. Trend is up. We should be trading with the trend, so we should be looking for longs. So if we come down to the 3 hour here, you'll see we've got a rejection off. It's not really a level, is it? The level that I'm looking at is much further down, which is pretty much in this zone here. Okay, actually pretty difficult read here because we've had a pullback, which is a half decent pullback. We do have a bit of a level here, and that's this area right here. But that's such a minor level that I wouldn't really be focused on it. And then the only sustainable level that I see is 25,200. This area of 25,200 is definitely probably the next most logical level, but that does break a trend line. And we've had 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. Let's call this a fifth touch, but we've got a pin bar off it. So could be something. Let's just see what we have here. Okay, I'm just going to use these levels here. So firstly, that was a half decent level on the hour. Didn't materialize. What we have done is we've tagged this area on the hour. So that seems to be what's happening. So let's just stick to the hour. Okay, so we have rallied. We have gone into a bit of a range here. Okay, there's our range. But that range is broken to the downside. We haven't tested it. We've tried over here. Didn't really materialize. We are now bouncing off a trend line. It is Friday. It is the end of the month. So, a typical scenario would be profit taking, but don't bank on it. But it does look like that's what's setting up at the moment. So I think I'll be out of this market today. I'm not really interested in this. It's trend is really strong to the upside. There's absolutely no reason to be looking for shorts at the moment. This is just a pullback at the moment. And being Friday as well, I'm not interested in getting involved in that. So I think for me at the moment, there is a potential short, I would say at a break of this level here of 25,278, but it's going to be a short with tight stops, and you're going to be looking to take profits as quick as possible at pretty much every level that you see. Okay, so that's the one scenario. The other scenario is that we have some form of bullish structure here, which is possible, and we bounce the upside. So the only reason why I'm saying there's a short scalp is we are below the moving average at the moment. Moving average is pointing down, and if we eliminate all of this price action and we just focus on what's happening here, it is a range breakout. We are testing we have broken through a trend line pretty much. We are forming lower lows here. Okay, so it's possible, but not the trade that I'm looking for. I think I'm just going to sit on my hands here. It may be a short, but it's not. It's against the trend, and as far as I'm concerned, it's not the direction I want to be trading. I'm looking for opportunities to get long. So the big opportunity I would be looking at, if I just use this level, is down in. I'll use this level as well. The big opportunity I'm looking to get long is somewhere between, out at the bottom, 24,741 and 24,890. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm looking for. Otherwise, what I'll be doing is watching the hour just to see what's transpiring, and if we do start getting some positive price action off a level, then we are going to remove the trend line, not focus on that, worry about the levels that we're at. Something like this level we're at the moment. We come down here and form it on the bottom, that would also get me long. Okay, I don't see any wedges or anything, so that's pretty much it, guys. I think for the Dow, I'm probably going to be sitting on my hands, unless we get some decent price structure here that I can get in long. End of the month, I think I'll just rather hold on to my profits and try and chase something that I'm unsure of. Okay, there we go, guys. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.